Okay guys, welcome back to another video. So today we got up to 25% last show. Now hopefully we can do another 25%. And yeah, you may tell it has gone up to $47. Well, 1,942 per second. So you might have noticed that, but yes, I may have missed a few out. I had to purchase it quickly before I made this video. But anyway, we're on 1.5 billion, and I guess we'll just go start spending money. Spill the tea. Painting. Who cares about these stupid paintings? Oh, what the hell am I just done? What the hell? Guys, how is my bank account? Bank account's broken. Like, but our income's going up a lot though, I guess. Oh, let me turn my sound effects down. Okay, we're back now, so we have no sound effects because I don't want to be copyrighted these days. So we got a nice one in there. Okay, and then that's the end of that room. Okay, I hope there's not an upstairs. I'm already brokey. What's a hole? Oh, that's what a hole is. Let me just go turn my helicopter around. Dun 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 There we go. I'm going to get back to my helicopter. Who cares at this point? We are kind of brokies right now. Okay, at least we're still on one bill. Okay, are we covering up the bow? The Sigma? Oh man, you can't close these curtains. So. Okay, never mind, whatever. So guys, just need to keep chatting. But yes, we're coming along with it, as you may see. Bowling stuff now. Bowling alley, bowling bells, Statue of Liberty. Carpet. Give me the carpet. Chair. Give me a rope chair. Give me a table. Got 2 cash. For a giga rich. Yeah. I'm gonna 60 trot a little bit. Okay, so he still had not commented. But yes. He's a nice fella. I thought we already had a pool. Like there's water in it. Oh yes. Baddies, post me. What are you doing? Okay, I'm gonna keep going. Okay, we've already spent 200 mil and it's only been 4 minutes. We need columns. We need another one. But they're pretty useless unless we have a second floor. But it looks cool where we have a pool according to Mega Mansion Tycoon. Wow. Okay, this is going to be a lot more now to clean out the pool. Lamp. Sculpture. Lamp. Plant. The hell we doing? What's Sigma? Need one of these thingies. No, we need one of these thingies. At this point, they aren't collables. We need another one of those thingies. We need a beanbag, we need TV, we need everything. the hell do you even do that? Wow. We need a ceiling. Nice. We're still on 1 billion. And we've made like, I don't know how much progress. Claw machine, arcade machine. Need a football table. Need an ice hockey. We need lights and more lights. Why wouldn't we need lights? Okay, now what are we doing? I can't see anything. Oh. The next weird room. Oh, I guess it's probably upstairs. Staircase. Told y'all. Okay. Now I'm not really happy. We're on deck 2 already. Purchase wall, bro. No. I think I'm getting money as well. I think not. Wait, has my income just gone down? Why do we need more stairs and why do we need more chairs and why do we... Oh, we're doing a movie fight now. Flip now. Okay. It's about all the background noise. You may hear it or you may not. Each per listener user. Door fridge. A door fridge. The Sigma. Oh, how the hell have we already spent that much money? Money, must be funny, Oh yeah, we're doing the bridge. I hope. I like the bridge. Kind of cool, the bridge. Guys, you may tell that I have been on a cruise ship before without all the talking machine. Need a wall, need carpet, because we need the chair table. See, guessed it. Then we need carpet, chair, table, plant. Table. Chair. Ding. Creating be a tycoon scene. Yeah, we have a helipad. I was waiting for a helipad. You could tell that I had a helicopter. Some chairs. Umbrella. Carpet. Chair. It's an umbrella. Because why wouldn't we? Because we're giga rich. Need some chair. We need an umbrella. We need a water face. We need another umbrella. You know what? Oh, of course. Because we have a helicopter. Oh man, but you can't purchase a helicopter. But it would be cool. Table, chair, carpet, plant, chair, Chair, lamps. Piano. I don't need another piano. We already have one on the ship, so we can have another one. Speakers, drums. I don't need a piano. Chair. Chair after chair, it says. Remember guys, when we run out of money, the video stops. Which might be quite soon. Carpet, couch. Table, carpet, couch, table, chair. We brokies. How's that go? Is this a library? Games room, even? Yeah, this has to be a library. Why would you need a library? You have too much money for a library. Maybe it's just like a cozy library place. Okay, after dying with our money, I already ran out of money. We ain't doing that yet. Not yet. Maybe soon. I'm only on 50 mil. There's arrows out. It's trying to point at something. You're pointing at, bro. It's another. No, it's posh toilet. Sink. Oh, we ran out of money. So, guys, that's all for today's video today. Anyway, peace out.